Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to change a phone feature now. Open Settings and keep your device unlocked so nothing interrupts the flow. First, use the search bar to jump straight to the feature. Type Display, Sound, Notifications, or Accessibility. Once found, tap the entry and review any permission prompts. Grant them only if you plan to use the feature. Make sure your battery is above 20% or plug in briefly. This avoids mid-change shutdowns that can reset temporary settings. Now you'll modify the main controls. Flip toggles for enable or disable, slide brightness and volume, and tap submenus for sound profiles or display modes. Once you change a slider, observe the immediate effect to confirm it meets your needs. Some settings apply instantly, others require a restart. Make sure to check advanced or developer options only if comfortable. Here you alter animation scale, background process limits, or USB behaviors, which directly affect performance, and finish by saving any configurable pages and testing the feature in real use. Open an app, receive a notification, or lock/unlock to verify. If changes don't stick, reboot the phone first. Many system-level tweaks need a restart to apply. If that fails, reset the specific feature or restore system settings. Use backup to avoid lost preferences. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the settings app cache or safe boot to isolate conflicting apps before a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.